The 2026 Polestar 5 represents the next step in Polestar's journey to redefine premium electric performance. Built on the foundation of Scandinavian minimalism, advanced electrification, and uncompromising engineering, the Polestar 5 is more than just a car. It is a symbol of a clean, intelligent, and thrilling future. From the outside, the Polestar 5 makes a bold statement. Painted in pure, glossy white, it sits proudly on a shimmering white showroom floor, reflecting light like a diamond. The front fascia carries the signature Polestar identity, a sharp, clean nose with pixelated LED headlights that mimic the design language of the Polestar Precept concept. The grille-less front design communicates its electric powertrain, while sculpted lines along the hood and sides show off its aerodynamic efficiency. Every surface is purposeful, every detail clean. The proportions of the Polestar 5 are unmistakably Grand Tourer-inspired. With its long wheelbase, sleek roofline, and muscular rear haunches, it balances elegance with performance. Frameless windows and retractable flush door handles enhance its futuristic aesthetic. The car feels athletic yet minimal, a masterpiece of design that avoids unnecessary clutter. Step around the rear, and the Polestar 5 reveals its most striking feature, a continuous LED light bar that spans the entire width of the car, glowing like a piece of futuristic art. The rear diffuser is carefully sculpted, balancing style with aerodynamic function. In a showroom filled with bright light, the white paint emphasizes every contour and curve, showcasing the craftsmanship behind its design. But the real revolution is inside. The interior of the Polestar 5 is a sanctuary of technology and sustainability. Open the frameless doors, and you are welcomed by a cabin finished in white vegan leather, recycled materials, and aluminum accents. The Scandinavian philosophy of less but better is everywhere. Clean surfaces, simple lines, and a focus on space give the Polestar 5 an atmosphere that feels both calming and futuristic. The driver's seat is positioned low, providing a sporty feel, while the floating center console adds a sense of openness. A massive 15-inch vertical touchscreen dominates the dashboard, powered by Google's Android Automotive OS with Google Maps and Google Assistant fully integrated. Behind the steering wheel, a digital driver display keeps the focus on speed, range, and navigation. The steering wheel itself is a work of art. Slim, leather-wrapped with haptic feedback buttons instead of traditional switches. Every interaction feels refined, futuristic, and effortless. The infotainment system responds instantly, with voice control that feels natural and seamless. For passengers, the Polestar 5 offers comfort and sophistication. The rear seats provide ample legroom with reclining functions and integrated climate controls. Ambient lighting runs subtly across the cabin, shifting in tone to match the driving mode or time of day. The panoramic glass roof opens up the cabin, flooding it with light. While acoustic insulation keeps the world outside silent, performance is where the Polestar 5 cements itself as a true electric Grand Tourer. Equipped with dual motors, it produces up to 884 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque. This allows the Polestar 5 to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in under 3.2 seconds, numbers once reserved for supercars. Yet, despite this power, it delivers smooth, silent performance that feels effortless. Underneath, the Polestar 5 rides on an advanced bonded aluminum platform, lightweight, rigid, and engineered for performance. Adaptive air suspension ensures comfort for daily driving and precision for spirited handling. Its low center of gravity and balanced chassis design provide an engaging driving experience while maintaining stability at high speeds. On the sustainability front, Polestar has gone further than most rivals. The interior materials are sourced responsibly, with recycled PET bottles, natural fibers, and low-carbon aluminum all contributing to reducing its environmental footprint. This makes the Polestar 5 not only a luxury Grand Tourer, but also a statement of responsibility. Charging is fast and convenient. The 800-volt electrical architecture allows ultra-fast charging, adding up to 300 kilometers of range in just 20 minutes at a high-speed charging station. With a full charge, the Polestar 5 offers over 600 kilometers of range, making it both a performance car and a practical long-distance cruiser. Advanced driver assist features are part of the package. Equipped with LiDAR technology, radar, and cameras, the Polestar 5 is capable of Level 3 autonomous driving in certain conditions. Highway driving is effortless, with adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and automatic overtaking built into the system. Safety, as expected from a Swedish brand, is second to none. In conclusion, the 2026 Polestar 5 is not just another electric car. It is a masterpiece of Scandinavian design, cutting-edge performance, and sustainable innovation. From its white exterior that sparkles under showroom lights to its minimalist yet luxurious interior, it redefines what a luxury EV grand tourer should be. It is elegant, powerful, intelligent, and responsible. A car designed not just for today, but for the future.